Ready to escape to the Maldives like you've never seen it before? Let's soar in 4K over liquid glass waters and floating villas where luxury meets paradise, starting at Soneva, where overwater bungalows come with slides that drop you straight into turquoise lagoons, private pools that blend into infinity, and retractable roofs so you can sleep under a blanket of stars. Glide south to Gili Lankan Fushi, the barefoot luxury hideaway where Crusoe villas perch on stilts above coral gardens, manta rays cruise beneath your glass floor, and sunrise paints the Indian Ocean in shades of rose gold and amber. Swing east to Huvafen Fushi, home to the world's first underwater spa. Imagine getting a massage while reef sharks and parrotfish drift past floor-to-ceiling windows, then surface to find your private beach cabana waiting with champagne on ice. Drift to Barros, Maldives, a boutique gem wrapped in palm groves where sandbanks appear at low tide like secret islands, and sunset Doni cruises let you toast the horizon as dolphins leap in your wake. North to Cheval Blanc Rantheli, where villas float like modern sculptures, each with a private infinity pool, dedicated butler, and direct lagoon access. Here the house reef explodes with color, sea turtles glide through coral canyons, and every meal is Michelin-level art on a plate. Then discover Maldives Island, a tiny speck of paradise where only 50 guests share white powder beaches. Bioluminescent plankton light up the shallows at night like underwater stars. And the house reef is so close you can snorkel straight from your villa deck. What makes the Maldives unforgettable isn't just the luxury. It's the textures. The silk-soft sand between your toes at Soneva, the cool underwater hush at Huvafen Spa, the warm glow of lanterns floating on Barros Lagoon at dusk, the electric blue of the house reef at Cheval Blanc, the gentle lap of waves against your overwater deck at Maldives, and that perfect moment when you realize you're living inside a postcard. If these mind-blowing luxury hideaways in the Maldives just jumped onto your bucket list, tap like, tell me which resort stole your heart, and subscribe to Birdseye Travel for more narrated cinematic 4K journeys from above where paradise looks truly unreal.